always when you say, I need this in order to feel complete, I want this in order to feel complete, then it means your life, your satisfaction about life is based on conditions.
When your satisfaction is based on condition, you are placing your well-being in the hands of something unstable. Life changes, people leave, plans fail, the weather shifts, the body ages, time moves, and if you require everything to be perfect before you allow yourself to feel peace, you are building your house on sand. It will always collapse.
As long as I have many followers, I'm happy. As long as I have a family, I'm happy. As long as I have the car and the big house, I'm happy. The fact is, you do not have a guarantee. You do not have a security that at any point in time, you're gonna lose these things.
The monk does not need silence to find peace. The master does not need comfort to feel stillness. The truly awake human does not rely on conditions to feel alive. Their contentment comes not from getting what they want, but from dissolving the craving for more. They are not controlled by what happens. They are grounded by what they are. They understand that peace is not a product of perfection. It is the result of presence. When you stop chasing moments that satisfy you, and instead learn to rest in the present moment, without needing it to be different, you begin to discover a deeper satisfaction, one not born from conditions, but from awareness itself. It is the satisfaction of simply being, of breathing, of witnessing, of knowing that no matter what unfolds outside, there is a place inside you that remains unmoved, still, silent, unshaken. Let's begin with a popular Qigong exercise, taught by Shi Heng Yi.
Hip, rotate. Yeah, the head stays at the same place, the feet stay at the same place, rotate the hip. Other direction. Then feet together. Squat down a little bit, hands on the knees. Rotate 1, 2, 3.
This posture grounds you in the present moment, calming the nervous system. It acts as a reset button for stress and anxiety.
10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Good. Now, right foot stays on the ground. Lift up. Left knee lift up. Ankle. Rotate. Other direction. And switch leg. Left foot on the ground, right foot up. Rotate. Change direction. Okay. Good, so all the joints have been moved, starting from the fingers all the way down through the skeleton until the ankles. Now that we are lightly warm, Now we get more warm. Okay. Together. 1, 2, and let's just go 3. Both feet stand parallel. Body, keep it upright. It's up. 1, squat down. Yeah. Body upright. 2, 3.
This clears stagnant exercise, improving focus and clarity. Shi Heng Yi emphasizes this flow to unite body and mind.
8, 9, 10. Stay down. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Then both hands cross behind the head. Right knee, right elbow, left knee, left elbow. We start with the right leg. 30 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2.
This movement symbolizes welcoming the energy of the universe and releasing tension.
9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Good. Squat again. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stay down. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Jump.
Shi Heng Yi connects this to mental resilience. Jump upward is a symbol of rising above challenges. He teaches that mental strength is built by expanding your awareness, just as your body stretches toward the sky.
Okay. Now, for example, if you slowly already start to feel you're getting out of breath, that's why we do some deep inhalation. Here. 1. Inhale. Open the chest. Exhale. Again. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale.
This movement is about inner harmony, learning to balance opposites, stress and calm, effort and surrender.
Exhale. You want to inhale even more? We open the arm to the side. Inhalation. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale.
Shi Heng Yi teaches that this is a closing movement to return to stillness. You absorb the refined qi and bring it inward. It's a form of spiritual hygiene, just like washing your hands. Only here, you're cleansing your energy field.